Welcome back to the Hall Report, your go-to source for everything dump trucking. And I'm your host, Malcolm Smith. So if you guys have been following the show, you guys will hear me talk about data centers. You'll hear me talk about semiconductors and the manufacturing of these facilities to produce semiconductors, and just how these different construction trends are putting money into dump trucking and allowing us to have more opportunities. Well, there's one that I missed, and I kind of snuck up on me, but it's turning into a bigger initiative than it started out, and it's the healthcare facility construction trend. And today we're going to talk about a few of those projects that are coming out. So if they're in your states, if you hear about them, please, by all means, go and try to get your trucks on them. These are some long-lasting projects, and they're putting millions, some billions of dollars into these facilities. So the first one we have, and we've mentioned this one before, but we'll say it again, the MD Anderson Cancer Center expansion in Austin, Texas. Investment is $2.5 billion. The scope is 2 hospital towers for cancer treatment and general medical services. Timeline, the pre-RFP construction service to begin in 2026. So they haven't even started this project. They're still gearing up, but it's going to be a really, really big project. Dump trucks come in with excavation for tower foundation, debris removal, material transportation for its gravel, concrete, asphalt. The next one is in Pullman, Washington, the Pullman Regional Hospital expansion. Investment is 45 to 50 million. The scope, expansion of emergency department, surgical spaces, and renovation of maternity ward. Timeline, construction to launch in early 2025. So it's about to start pretty soon. Dump trucks hauling demolition debris, transporting materials, and expanding capacity areas and infrastructure upgrades. The next one, Columbia, South Carolina. Neurological Hospital, 50 million, 115 bed facility with decentralized nursing station, laboratories, research spaces, and long-term sustainability features. Construction launch planned for 2025. Dump trucks, land excavation for utility systems, transport of soil and debris, and delivery of construction materials, sand, gravel, concrete. The next one we have is the Joint Laboratory Complex in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Investment is $450 million. The scope is a 300,000 square foot public health laboratory and 90,000 square foot forensic lab for Pennsylvania State Police. Timeline, site preparation begins early 2025 with construction starting in 2026. So excavation, demolition debris, transport of construction materials for biosafety infrastructure. Next is AdventHealth, and I hope I pronounced this right, Manola, Florida. Investment is $271 million. Scope is 80-bed hospital to serve the growing population in Central Florida, scheduled to open in late 2025. Dump truck is for site clearing, excavation, soil removal, material transport for parking lots and roadways. Next one we have is the Atrium Health Lake Norman, and that's in Lake Norman, North Carolina. Investment is undisclosed. 30-bed hospital, pretty small, expected to open in the later part of 2025. So it's already started, but if you can get your trucks on that, try to get them. If you're in Lake Norman, North Carolina, they need trucks for site prep, foundation work, debris removal, roadway material transportation. And the last one we have is the Methodist Salina Medical Hospital in Salina, Texas. Investment is undisclosed, but it's a 51-bed full-service hospital with expansion potential, scheduled to open in spring of 2025. And dump trucks are needed for excavation work, soil hauling, transport of concrete, asphalt, gravel for road and infrastructure. So, guys, this healthcare facilities being put up all across the nation, at data centers being put up all across the nation. You have manufacturing facilities. It's going to be a great year, guys. So this is a time to build those relationships. Try to see about these RFPs that's coming out in your state. Try to get on these projects. I'm going to keep saying it. Get your trucks on these projects. They're long-lasting projects. If you want to find work, keep coming back to this show, The Hall Report. I'll keep bringing this industry knowledge to you. I'll keep you updated, as well as we're going to try to find any projects that are either in small areas, big cities, wherever. We're going to bring them to this show so you can stay updated